Good evening, sir. Today's topic is a containment. So, containment means the use of a object of one class in another class, and inheritance means using the features of a class in a derived class. So, containment relationship means the use of a object of a class as a member member to another class. Then another class. Then contentment and inheritance are ways, both ways are to use reusability. Contentment has a relationships, and inheritance is a relationship. Contentment means use of a object of a one class to use of a object of a another class, while inheritance means reusing the features of a class. It is a derived class. Then contentment relationship. Contentment relationship means the use of a object of a class as a member of another class. Then contentment provider has a relationship. Suppose I take up one example. We create a class employee. In that variable in the employee ID and string employee name. Then we create a one class my date. Then we create a two method, employee 1 and employee 2. In employee 1 method we take only employee IDs. We assign the values of employee ID is equal to 0, then employee name is equal to ABC, and date is equal to new my date. Then another method E1. So in that we assign the employee ID is equal to ID, employee name is equal to name, and date is equal to day. Then we create a main function. Then we write a then in that main function, so we create a object for method 1 and object for method 2. Like employee E1 is equal to new employee, and employee E2 is equal to send the values. So output of the code is to execute this code we need to write a my date class. Then contentment means contentment provider has a relationship, and contentment means composition or has a relationship in a Java. So if a class has a variable which is a other class type in a has a relationship. Example like class professor, class student. Then best example of a contentment hierarchy is a applet, Java applet. So Java applets is a dialog has a two contentment hierarchical. The contentment in a browser contentment in a browser windows in a contentment hierarchical rooted by the Java applet. The dialog has a contentment hierarchy root by the Java JDialog object. Then the top level demo added a menu bar to it's the frame for this code. Thank you.